Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, first of all there is an announcement that as you know we uploaded different courses on our channel Iron Tech. I upload Pinterest marketing course, Canva complete designing course and HTML complete course. So you can also learn this from my channel Iron Tech. And also it's a request that please suggest this channel to your friends and family so they can also learn and earn some money. So guys, let's start today's video. So in today's video I will teach you how you can do pop-up 3D pop-up effect in your Instagram story or in your Facebook story or in your any design. So let's get started. First of all, I will do this effect in Instagram story. So I search, you can do in any design, you just have to know about the trick. So I write here insta sorry Instagram story. So I click on this one and it shows me different templates. But I click on blank. It is loading, wait for some seconds. So that's it. So first of all, I would like to have a background like pink. It's look good. After that I need an image. So man running. So I need image, close image. I think this one is good. So first of all, I would like to remove the background of this image, and that's good. After that I go to elements and here I search Instagram frames. So it shows me different frames. So I choose this one. This is a very simple frame. So I select this image and drag it here, and after that I click on image and edit photo and shadow and glow. So as you can see there is a glow and color is black. Yeah, that's good. And after that I copy this image and make a duplicate of this image and Wait for some second. First of all, I have to group. Yeah, first of all I have to group this image, and after that and as you can see, our 3D effect is completed. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. You can also do this the same thing with your own images. This is just for a practice. I do not have a good image to put effect on this. You have your images, so keep practicing on these images and you will succeed. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.